So, jazzers, let's talk a little bit about what you look at when you see that C7 or something like that. So, you'll see C7, okay? And what that simply means is this, all right? Let's just do a C scale. So, there's C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. So, there's Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti, Do, all right? C7. So what you do, let's number these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what a C7 chord would have in it would be a 1, you skip 1, you go to 3, you go to 5, and you go to 7. There's two different kinds of C7 chords. You'll see a C7, which is called a dominant 7. That's the key word. If you just see the 7 by itself, it's the dominant 7. And then there's a C major 7. Okay. 1, 3, 5, and the 7 that's in the scale is a C major 7. Notice that the B is a half a step between the B and the C here. So that makes it a major 7. All right. A dominant 7 would be C, E, G, B flat. So this note is a whole step below the C. All right, I hope that makes sense to you. Let's do another one. That was it. Crazy, huh? F scale has one flat in it, it's B flat. But what we're going to do is F, A, C, and E. Okay? So the question is, an F scale would be this. F, G, A, B flat, C, D, E, F. All right, so F, A, C, E. Would it be an E flat for the dominant 7, or would it be an E natural? And the answer is E flat, because if I went up here to F, what's a whole step below an E flat? Let's get at the keyboard here and look at it for a second. F, A, C, E. All right, there's your F. What's a whole step below that? An E flat. All right, so C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, C, E, G, B, but a whole step below, excuse me, whole C, E, G, B, but a whole step below the C up here would be, it's a half step from C to the B flat. So whenever you see that 7 chord, whatever the note is, it's a major chord, it'd be like, it's the, for example, let's do D. All right, here's a D. D scale, and I'm going to start it down here. Can you see that? There we go. Move it over this way a little bit. D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, D. So that's a D scale. D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, D. So what you do is you got D, F sharp, A, C sharp, that would be the major 7. The dominant 7, remember, the D, 1, a whole step below the D is a C. So a C dominant 7, a D dominant 7 chord would be D, F sharp, A, C natural. Okay. What makes a minor chord? All right. Probably know this, but I'm going to tell you anyway. Here's C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. All right. We'll do that one more time. Oh, look at that. That's fancy. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. So what makes the minor chord is you lower the third, 1, 2, 3, down to there. Okay? C, D, E flat, F, G. So if you saw an F or a C minor 7, it would be, here's a C major 7, C, E, G, B flat. All right, a C minor 7 would be C, E flat, G, B flat. Typically, you can go up the scale when you're playing a solo. Da 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 da. You know. Would be major. I lowered that third. I was playing an F. All right, so I lowered that third. Major. Then up the scale. So to make a minor chord, once again, to make a minor dominant 7, you would start on something like, let's do the G scale, G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, G. So G with 1 sharp, it'd be G, A, B, C, D, E, F would be the dominant, F sharp would be the major 7, okay? So if it says C, MAJ 7, that's it. So as you're looking at chords and you see those chord symbols in jazz charts, that's what you mean. If it's just got B flat in it, that means it's just a B flat major chord. That's the first 3 notes of a B flat, concert B flat scale. Bum, 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 1, 3, 5. You can always use those notes. You can usually get away with playing all the notes in the scale. All right. A B flat minor would be B flat, lower the 3rd a half step, F, okay, B flat minor, and then if you had a dominant 7. Sometimes you'll see things like a C6. Let's go back to C. C, D, E, F, G, A. That would be just a C, a G, and an A. Or C, E, G, and A. That's a C6. That's what that means. It's a 6th note of the scale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Okay. If you see S-U-S, suspended, C, a lot of times you'll see that if you've ever played the guitar. And what that simply means is this, and I'm going to do this. I'll play one for you here. Hear that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 4, and then you resolve it. Okay, so S-U-S means suspended, suspense. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then back to your major. Suspended 2, S-U-S, like C suspended 2. That's what that S-U-S means. So that means it's the 4 resolves to the 3, or the 2 resolves to the 3, okay? So your assignment this week is simply to listen to this and just think about it when you're playing. Hope you're having a good week, Jazzers. I'm looking forward to coming back to school someday in the near month. That's month.